Brought to you by DOGRA, a One Digital Hearing Aid Center Jammu, offering special discounts for senior citizens and reimbursement scheme for government employees. Hello viewers, you're watching Jammu Links News. I am Vandana Gupta and welcome to the daily updates of Midday News. Let's begin. Jammu and Kashmir recorded 17 more COVID-19 fatalities and 1,093 new cases on Thursday, taking the death toll to 1,198 and the infection tally to 76,163 in the Union Territory. Jammu district reported the highest number of 490 new cases, followed by 164 in Srinagar district. There are 16,413 active cases of the coronavirus disease in J&K, while 58,552 patients have recovered so far. Commencing of the third phase of Back to Village program across J&K is the perfect way to honor Father of the Nation on his birthday. These were the remarks made by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in his message on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Back to Village is a unique and ambitious exercise by the UT government to reach the doorsteps of the people with responsive, accountable and equitable governance, is in its own way promoting values, ideology and philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. The ambitious program starting from 2nd October is also seen as a unique effort of the government to strengthen the newly constituted panchayats, the Lieutenant Governor said.
2 अक्टूबर को कार्यक्रम शुरू होने के पहले कुछ निर्णय हमने पहले किए, जैसे पूरा एक अभियान चलाया। सोशल सिक्योरिटी की जितनी स्कीम्स हैं, हमने कोशिश की है कि इन पिछले 20 दिनों में किसी की पेंशन है, किसी की स्कॉलरशिप है, किसी का डोमिसाइल सर्टिफिकेट है, किसी का राशन कार्ड है, किसी का आधार कार्ड है, छोटी मोटी जो जरूरतें हैं उनको पूरा कर दिया गया।
Hitting out at the opposition for protests against 3 recently enacted agriculture laws, Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Thursday said that NDA government has effected a steady hike in minimum support price for crops to help increase farmers' income. He also said contract farming as allowed in one of the 3 laws will be for crops and not for the lands, and alleged that the farmers are being misled to believe otherwise.
मुनासिब भी नहीं। एक के बाद एक जितने निर्णय लिए गए वो समाज के उन वर्गों की चिंता करके लिए गए जो कहीं ना कहीं पिछड़ गए थे भारत की विकास यात्रा में पिछले 70 वर्षों से, जो वंचित थे, जो पीड़ित थे, जो शोषित थे, जो कमजोर रह गए थे, जो राजनीतिक प्राथमिकताओं से छूट गए थे। और इस तरह से एक नई कार्य संस्कृति को जन्म देने का प्रयास किया गया।
President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, on his 151st birth anniversary at Rajghat. They also paid homage to former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri on his birth anniversary at Vijayaghat. President Kovind was accompanied by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as they paid tributes at Shastri's memorial at Vijayaghat. India's COVID-19 tally reached 63,94,069 with a spike of 81,484 new cases and 1,095 deaths reported in the last 24 hours, said the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday. The total cases include 9,42,217 active cases, 53,52,078 cured or discharged or migrated, and 99,773 deaths according to the Health Ministry. In a major breakthrough, District Police Samba arrested 2 narcotic smugglers and recovered 13 to 14 kgs of poppy straw and Indian currency worth ₹27 lakhs in the jurisdiction of Police Station Samba. In this regard, a case FIR has been registered at Police Station Samba and further investigation started. Both the forward and backward linkages in the supply chain of the narcotic module are being investigated. The Jammu and Kashmir government has evacuated about 5,26,219 JK residents stranded in other parts of the country due to COVID lockdown via Lakhanpur and through special trains and buses till date, amid strict observance of all necessary guidelines and standard operating procedures. As per the official data received in this regard, the Jammu and Kashmir administration has received 155 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur railway stations from different states and UTs so far, with about 1,40,292 passengers, while about 3,85,927 persons from other states and UTs, including 934 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government through Lakhanpur till date. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Farooq Khan has reiterated what the J&K administration is working tirelessly at all levels for the collective welfare of the people of the region. The advisor was interacting with the deputations and individuals during the weekly public hearing program at LG's Grievance Cell, Church Lane. As many as 114 deputations and individuals hailing from different parts of J&K put forth their demands and grievances before the advisor and sought his intervention for early redressal of their issues. Financial Commissioner Health and Medical Education Atal Dhullo on Thursday chaired a meeting to review the status of COVID-19 across Jammu and Kashmir. Speaking during the meeting, Atal Dhullo impressed upon the officers to make public adopt the COVID-appropriate behavioral strictly besides increasing the frequency of daily testing. The Financial Commissioner further stressed upon the Deputy Commissioners and other officials to keep themselves prepared for the forthcoming winter season and festive season and ensure that the Unlock 5.0 guidelines are strictly implemented. Secretary Tourism and Culture Sarmad Hafiz has said that infrastructure is quintessential for advancing tourism of any area. He maintained that every tourist asset should be an insignia of local culture and heritage. He made these remarks while reviewing the multi-crore tourism infrastructure projects taken up under the Prime Minister's development plan. These projects include development of several tourism circuits across J&K. The Divisional Commissioner Kashmir Pandurang K. Pol has called for massive drive against the illegal encroachment of forest land. The Divisional Commissioner said this while chairing a meeting of Deputy Commissioners and Revenue Officers. Expressing dismay over the illegal encroachment of forest land, the Divisional Commissioner stressed on massive anti-encroachment drive against the encroachments. He directed concerns to take stringent action against the fraudulent involved in such illegal activities and ensure immediate retrieval of the land. Enforcement Wing of Lakes and Waterways Development Authority continued demolition drive of illegal structures built by encroachers at several locations. During the drive, several structures were demolished in the area of Bhagi Roop Singh Nopura, Sadarbal and Karpura, which were raised by some violators taking the undue advantage of COVID-19. The officer warned the unscrupulous elements creating hurdles during demolition of illegal constructions that action will be taken against them under law.